It's a kind of magic. It's a kind of magic. A kind of magic.
Hi guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk. I've literally just come home from work. It's a bit cold in my kitchen, so I'm keeping my suit jacket on, bob the heating on, so just wait for it to warm up. Anyway, there was a package on the side in the kitchen that my wife must have collected from the postman this morning, and inside that package was this Brinks Discus padlock, Wilson Bohannon, both with working keys. I'd have done an out of the package video, but the top of the packaging was split, and the reason being is because these beauties were inside the package also, inserts from wiper blades, and there's plenty there to go at for making my own tension wrenches. And these were sent to me by the kind Raging Skull over there in the good old US of A, so thank you so much, my friend. I've had a little go at picking this one, and it opens quite easy. Say both locks have working keys, and for this Brinks, that's the key for it, so I hope you can see that. As I've said many times, my autofocus is abysmal on this camera, or it's not set up, so I might have to find the destruction manual. So to pick this, I'm going to be using one of my favourite tension wrenches and my custom short hook. See there, it's a Brinks. Show you the key working. It's key retaining, so once the lock is open, the key stays in. You can only take it out when it's locked back up again. So let's have a go at this. It's a bit fiddly to hold, that's the awkward part of it, to be honest. It does open rather nicely. Sometimes you've got to angle it in different directions to keep the tension on. A lot of Discus padlocks, you have to be absolutely spot on with the tension. They can be quite temperamental with tension. This one I find needs sort of slightly heavy tension, so just applying the tension till it stops and putting a little bit more on. I'm going to start at the front of the lock and pick backwards. See how we get on. There we go, open. So that's the Brinks Discus padlock single pin picks. So if you are newbies to lock sport, guys, please come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. and again, as I've said before, free to join. There's fantastic competitions which are also free to enter, and you can win all sorts of bits and pieces regarding lock picking, from locks, tension wrenches, picks, you name it, you can win it. So again, thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.